Hey guys! So, kind of have some news to tell you. The dress is finished! What? I am so excited. Since the last time I saw you guys, it has been drama, plus more drama. So I was sewing the bodice and all of a sudden I realized I made a massive mistake. It would have meant that I would not have been able to have like a perfectly finished neckline. And I was just like, you know what? It's okay. Let's just start again. I made the executive decision to just start the whole project again. Crazy, yes. Worth it, 150,000%. Surprisingly, I was able to just like redo everything I'd done in the same day. And I was like, whoa. So I was like, wow, things are moving really quickly now. So I was like, let's just get to work. Let's finish off. I go to put the zip in to realize, when was the last time you went to a fabric shop and bought any zips? So I was like, oh man, cool. Let me get online. Let me find myself a zip. Found a zip. It was like, yeah, we're going to arrive next week. I had to wait another week. The zip arrives. I'm super excited to get started on everything. Guess what happens next? The iron breaks. The struggle is real. So yeah, after that, I was like, new iron arrived, got my zips intact. Time to finish this project. I knew that I wanted 3 tiers on the bottom of the dress. That was like something I knew for sure. I'm gonna have 3 tiers. I knew I wanted drama, fullness, flair. Like I knew what I wanted. Didn't necessarily know all of the specifications of how I was gonna get there. Once I'd put the zip in, it was kind of just like, go crazy with your creativeness now, which was like, I guess my favorite part. It was amazing to see the dress like come to life and be what it is now. Like I cannot wait to show you this dress. I guess you're wondering, like, are you gonna get to see the dress in this vlog? No. So no, it's not happening. Nope. Ain't nobody gonna see the dress. Nope. There is gonna be a vlog number 5. And when lockdown eases, this is the plan. Go to the Harris Museum, install the dress in its place. I'm gonna film the process. So I think it's gonna be an emotional one. Seeing it in my studio is one thing, like, and it's amazing. Like, yeah, I think hands down say this is probably the best dress I've ever made in my life. So yeah, it's big. It's a big thing. Once I actually see it in the museum where it's gonna live, like, and when I see the work next to other artists' work and see like, that's something that you made, like, I think that's when it's gonna be real. And I'll be like, whoa, God, you are amazing, because I never saw this coming. And I think to think that this was birthed in like one of the hardest years I've ever had and ever experienced, this is one of the things that I want to be able to look back on 2020, 2021 and say, you know what, there was actually some amazing things that came from that. Like, I actually made this dress. I'm so grateful to have been able to share the whole process, the journey with you guys. And I really cannot wait to show you like the full thing. I hope you'll forgive me for not showing you the dress in this episode, but I also hope that you look forward to seeing it in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in, for being there, for the encouragement, for the love, for the sharing and the liking and the posting. And it's overwhelming, and I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you who's been watching these and following along. See you next time.